Clearing your search history on Momondo can help you maintain privacy and improve your search experience. Follow these simple steps to clear your search history. Step 1. Open Momondo. Visit the Momondo website or open the Momondo app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account if you have one. Step 2. Access your profile. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Esrock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find privacy settings. In your account settings, look for a section labeled Privacy or Data Management. Click on this section to access your privacy options. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the privacy settings, you should see an option to clear your search history. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Log out and refresh. After clearing your search history, log out of your account and refresh the page or app. This ensures that the changes take effect and your search history is cleared. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Momondo. Regularly doing this can help enhance your browsing experience.